me there. Also, if you're not subscribed, it's free to subscribe. If you make it to the end of this makeup video and you liked it, you should subscribe. Finally using my new e.l.f. Brushes, by the way. I only used like 2, but finally putting them to use. I must say I did my eyebrows very well this time. Some days my eyebrows come looking good, other days it's off, like, I don't know. I had to make sure it's properly blended, so you know I'm taking my time. Can't have one area not blended looking crazy, so. See, and I still missed the part, but I think at the end I fixed it, hopefully. So now I am going to be using the Cargo Cosmetics eyeshadow stick. If you saw my lip monthly video, then I mentioned it there, but if you haven't, I'll probably leave it in the cards or in the description box. It will be somewhere in this video though. And it's like a brown shimmery color, but it's very like pigmented, so once I put it on, like, it looks like nothing's there, but it shows really well. And that's the only reason why I didn't add anything else, because I was going to use another like eyeshadow that I received from another lip monthly bag, but I was like, it's just going to be over the top if I add that, so I just kept it simple. And all I use is this eyeshadow stick. Normally I'm using like a bunch of different colors, but I kept it pretty simple this time around. This is kind of like a basic yet still out there makeup look. I don't know, neutral look. Then I have my Kiss pressed powder, basically for like if you have oily skin like me, supposed to control it so your face is not too shiny. Sometimes I forget to use this, but today I remembered, so. Okay, now I'm going to be using my Tarte Maneater mascara that I got for my birthday month last month. Finally using it, so. And this was a free product, but I should know by now. Every free product that I normally get has nothing. It has just little. That's cool. I'm still going to use it. What I will say, I love how this brush is. It's different and looks really nice. I don't know why I said pause for it, but. Oh, I had to just use the spoolie first because my eyelash was going everywhere. So now I'm going to go ahead with my LA Pro setting spray. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses, the Aphrodite color. And that completes my makeup look. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. And